you feeding yourself? Turn that off. Oh, you're getting yourself a big old spoon. Oh, look at you go.
You eating your mashed potatoes?
Can mommy feed you? You're not gonna let mommy. Okay. Okay. Here. No, eat with your right hand. You suck with that hand, kid. There. Okay, whatever you want to do. I don't think she's going to be right-handed. No?
But she has got no coordination with the left. The spoon is upside down and backwards.
Here, hold it with this one. Nope, and put it in here. Okay, Mom will stop helping. I'm sorry.
It's just as bad. It defeats the purpose of a spoon.